I'm Giorgia Lupi. I'm a designer and partner at Pentagram. And we're here today to talk about Unraveling Stories, a project in our collaboration with Woven. Unraveling Stories is a series of data rugs that represent and visualize the history of endangered and lost textile techniques. All the information that we've researched are encoded in the way the rug looks, the colors and position of different lines, the type of threads. There are 59 vertical lines in each one of these rugs, and every line represents one endangered technique. Textile techniques have been sourced from all around the world, and so little white dashes are positioned according to the continent the original technique was from. At the back of the rug there will be the names of the actual technique and a legend to understand how to read it. Visually, the rug is inspired by the geometrical vertical and horizontal sort of like interplay of the actual structure of the loom. And also we are such fans of the work of Annie Albers, and visually we've been inspired by her artistic work too.